Breaking news coming in. Shiv Sena has targeted Sonu Sood in a column that has been published today. The Sena mouthpiece Samna. Sanjay Raut has said in his column, and he's attacked Sonu Sood, calling him a puppet being controlled by the Bharatiya Janata Party to attack Shiv Sena and the Maharashtra government. So it is Sena versus Sonu Sood. Sanjay Raut's column going on there to target actor Sonu Sood. He's called him a puppet of the Bharatiya Janata Party to attack the Shiv Sena and to attack the Maharashtra government. That's an allegation coming in from Sanjay Raut of the Shiv Sena in the column that he's put out in the Shiv Sena mouthpiece Samna. Sahil is now joining us on the phone line. Sahil, what has prompted Sanjay Raut to go against Sonu Sood? What did Sonu Sood do or say or tweet that Sanjay Raut has written something of this nature, alleging him to be a puppet of the BJP?
You know, it looks like that it has come out of what actually kicked it off is basically Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, called on Sonu Sood to Raj Bhavan and felicitated him for doing tremendous work during the whole crisis. So that actually triggered this particular reaction in Rok Tok, which is Sanjay Raut's personal column in Samna. Now, what Sanjay Raut is trying to arrive at is that Bhagat Singh Koshyari did not have time to meet those people who lost their lives while working on the front line, like the PNC workers or the police officials. But they deliberately called Sonu Sood. It's very clear that what is the reason of calling Sonu Sood specifically, just to portray state government in a bad light. And that's why this meeting had happened. The article also alleged that there has to be some kind of a ploy, because without government's help, this transportation of migrants wouldn't have happened. But Sonu Sood is trying to portray himself as some kind of a savior, and that clearly looks like that there is a deliberate attempt to defame the state government for not being able to handle the migrant crisis, and that's why Sonu Sood has been given special treatment by the. That is what has been alleged in his. In Samna. Now, we tried to speak to Sonu Sood at this point of time. Right now, he has requested that he doesn't want to comment on it. But let's see if we get some reaction from Sonu Sood about this. But Sonu Sood has been praised by various sections of media.
Because he has done some good work. I'm seeing his Twitter timeline right now, Sahil. There's a lot of work that he's done by sending the migrants home by buses and what have you. So one can't really take away completely from the fact the good work that has been done by Sonu Sood.
Well, the article actually mentions that it's not only Sonu Sood who had done such kind of a work. He got more publicity than what he deserved. The article also claims that the actual work what Sonu Sood has been portraying has been done by one person called Shankar Pawar, who is running an NGO, and Sonu Sood actually portrayed himself as some kind of a savior. The article also targets mentions about a sting operation done against Sonu Sood some few years back, in which he was promising to campaign for a particular political party for some kind of a money. That's what has been alleged in the article. So basically, it looks like that the whole thing triggered till the time Sonu Sood. It's not that the Sonu Sood has not been portrayed by the media before, but what triggered basically is that Maharashtra governor called him specifically, and the governor house released that press release.
Absolutely, Sahil. Thanks for getting us those details from Mumbai. We'll continue tracking the story in much detail and get your reaction from Sanjay Raut as well.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.